Today we're launching the latest margarita from Seychelles.
Yes.
And we've got one of the famous people from South Africa.
Yes.
We flew her in this morning.
Yes.
To come and give us her honest opinion of what she tastes. So
thank you very much.
We are going to allow her to take a nice big gulp and show us all the taste. And these margaritas was actually grown in a cold climate.
Okay.
With strong back rain and sunny weather with a nice rough sea behind it.
Okay.
So let Cookie Mema give it her honest opinion. Take a nice gulp.
It's a small gulp. It's a small gulp.
It's a nice big gulp and let it run on your tongue.
Run on the tongue.
Goggle it nicely.
It goes in my mouth.
I think the Jameson's licorice wouldn't be able to.
Soos, bring je maar zo op de pillow. Ja. Niemand wacht met die dop alweer voor die nieuwe jaar. Zonto en ubuntu. Ik ga het niet maken.
What we are trying to do, so this margarita is it's basically challenging the Jameson Select Reserve with its smoothness.
Yeah, but it's actually challenging now the tongue in my mouth. That is what is challenging.
I think they always say the first glass is not the right one. Just take the last letter, then you lick the glass. A nice.
Oh, niet meer wacht, maar mijn hart klopt nog bij je vanaf.
Let's do it nicely and give a nice lick around the top. Nice, delicious.
Hello, ons alles so right by die huis 2026.